Hello, 你好. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katrina, and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin Chinese with confidence and joy. And welcome to this video. As you can see from the title, today we're going to talk about the most commonly used Chinese words, daily Chinese words, especially for beginners. So this video won't be too challenged. So if you are a zero beginner, a beginner who wants to learn Mandarin Chinese but don't know where to start, or you have been taking a long break learning Mandarin Chinese and you want to restart learning Mandarin Chinese, and this video is good for you. Today we're going to talk about commonly used verb in Mandarin Chinese. But before we get started, if you're new to here, my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss good videos like this every time I upload it. Now, without further ado, let's get started learning Mandarin Chinese words. Okay, as you can see that I have a file here. We're getting started. The first word, verb, is 买, to buy. So if you are a very beginner of Mandarin Chinese, you're probably focusing on your tones and pronunciation at the same time. So I want you to repeat after me. 买 Okay, so with the third tone here, you have to go low. So like this. 买 Repeat after me. 买 to buy. So you could say 买 something something to buy something. For example, 买咖啡. Okay, 买咖啡 to buy coffee. 买咖啡 to buy coffee, or to buy a cup of coffee. 买一杯咖啡 to buy a cup of coffee. So 一杯 a cup of, 一杯 repeat after me. 一杯 so 一 here's fourth tone. Okay, tone changing rule. 一杯 a cup of coffee. What I'm doing is try to expand the sentence as much as possible. 买一杯咖啡 to buy a cup of coffee, or 我买一杯咖啡 I buy a cup of coffee. 我买一杯咖啡 So you want to repeat after me. 我买一杯咖啡 Alright, if you want to say, okay, I bought a cup of coffee. So here, 我买一杯咖啡 is just I buy a cup of coffee. But if you want to tell people this action has been done already, I did it already, in Mandarin you can say 我买了. To talk about this action has been completed. 我买了一杯咖啡 Exactly. 我买了一杯咖啡 So whenever if you want to say I bought something something, you would say 我买了 something something. Alright. 我买了一杯咖啡 The next word is 卖. Repeat after me. 卖 to sell. So that was fourth tone as you can see right here. 卖 to sell. 卖 Okay, 卖 For example, 卖车子 Okay, this one. 卖车子 Sell car. 车子 Alright, car, vehicle, car. 卖车子卖车子 to sell car. Okay, 卖车子 So I would say 我卖车子 I sell cars. 我卖车子我卖车子卖 to sell. Alright, so what about if I say to sell coffee beans? Okay, so 我卖 I sell 咖啡豆 Okay, here 豆 is beans. Okay, 豆 for tone, beans. So 咖啡豆 coffee beans. 我卖咖啡豆 I sell coffee beans. 我卖咖啡豆 But if you walk to a store, you walk into a store and you want to ask, do you sell coffee beans? In Mandarin Chinese, we would say, 请问 may I ask, 你们卖咖啡豆吗? Okay, so 请问 this is very useful. Whenever you want to ask a question to people politely, you start with 请问 excuse me, may I ask? 请问 may I ask? 你们 you guys refers to the store. 你们卖 to sell 咖啡豆 coffee bean 吗 yes or no? So may I ask, do you sell coffee beans? 请问你们卖咖啡豆吗？请问你们卖咖啡豆吗？ The next one is 想要 would like to. So you could either say 想 or 想要. So after this is to do something. Okay, I would like to do something. For example, 我想要学中文. I would like to learn Mandarin Chinese. Okay, 我想要 I would like to 学中文 to learn Mandarin Chinese. 我想要 I would like to or 我想 if you don't want 想要 that would be 我想学中文 okay or if you want to ask people what would you like 你想要 would you like what 什么 what 什么 so 你想要什么 what would you like 你想要什么 repeat after me 你想要什么 And if you want to ask people what would you like to eat specifically, what would you like to eat? That would be 你想要吃什么 So you would like to eat what? Literally. 你想要吃什么 You would like to eat what? 你想要吃什么 Or 你想要喝什么 What would you like to drink? Okay, so I could switch eat to drink. 你想要喝什么 Or 你想喝什么 Alright, the next one is just 要 want. So 想要 would like to, 要 want, okay? It sounds more urgent and it sounds more like I have to have it. I want, okay? 要 So 你要什么 What do you want? 你要什么 We can ask somebody, what do you want? 你要什么你要什么 What do you want? 你要什么 Or 你要吃什么 What do you want to eat? Yes, you could say 你要吃什么 Okay, 你要喝什么 What do you want to drink? 喝你要喝什么 Or 你要做什么 What do you want to do? 做 to do the verb 做 So 你要做什么 What do you want to do? To say the sentence more specifically, you could say, what do you want to do today? 中文 in Mandarin Chinese would be 你今天要做什么 Okay, so as you can see that I put 你 you subject 今天 today 要 want 做什么 do what 你今天要做什么 What do you want to do today 你今天要做什么 Alright, the next one is 喜欢 like 喜欢 I like you 我喜欢你我喜欢你 I like you Okay, or 我不喜欢你我不喜欢 不 is a negative word. Don't, right? I don't like you. I not like you. 我不喜欢你. So 喜欢不喜欢. So what do you say? How do you say what do you like to drink? 你喜欢 you like 喝什么 Okay, 你喜欢喝什么 What do you like to drink? 你喜欢喝什么 So the same, 你喜欢吃什么 I could switch 喝 to 吃 to eat. What do you like to eat? 你喜欢吃什么 All right. So maybe you want to ask me, okay, Teacher Lee, how do I say what do you like to do? That would be 你喜欢做什么 to do what. So you like to do what literally. 你喜欢做什么 Okay, the opposite of 喜欢, which is 讨厌. 讨厌 is dislike. Somebody might translate it as hate, but it's not like very strong, like hate, I hate this, I hate that, but it's like very dislike, okay? You could say hate in English, but in Mandarin, it's just like the opposite of 喜欢. So 喜欢讨厌 okay? So dislike 我讨厌他 okay? I hate her 我讨厌她 I dislike her very much 我讨厌她 I hate somebody I hate something I hate doing something you could use 讨厌 dislike 讨厌 okay? You could say 我讨厌开车 for example I hate driving 我讨厌 dislike 开车 to drive 开车我讨厌开车 Okay, the next one is 吃 to eat. I think we covered this 吃 in the previous sentence. 吃什么 eat what 喝什么 drink what, right? So 吃 and 喝 Okay, you could say 我吃了我今天 let's say 我今天吃了面包哈，我今天 today 吃了 to remember the here is to talk about the action has been completed. So 我今天吃了面包 I ate 面包 bread today. 我今天吃了面包 So what if you want to ask people, what did you eat today? That would be 你今天吃了什么 You see? 什么 What? That's a question. 你今天吃了什么你今天吃了什么 To answer this, you would say 我今天吃了面包我今天吃了面包 I ate bread today. Okay, so see, here's a question and here's the answer. That's a small conversation here. 喝 the same. You could switch 吃 to 喝。你今天喝了什么 What did you drink today? 你今天喝了什么我今天喝了咖啡 coffee. 我今天喝了牛奶 milk 牛奶。我今天喝了牛奶。Let's switch this to 喝 to drink. All right. The next one is 睡觉. Okay, this pinyin is wrong. 觉 is here. 觉 is to sleep. Okay, some people like to sleep. 他喜欢睡觉. He likes to sleep. 她喜欢 sorry, this is a she. She likes to sleep. 她喜欢睡觉. She likes to sleep. 睡觉睡觉 Okay, 睡觉 you could say 她 Okay, the other sentence I could use is 她在睡觉 Okay, he is sleeping. 他在睡觉 在 here is to talk about in the middle of something. So he is in the middle of sleeping. 他在睡觉。他在睡觉。All right, he is sleeping. So if you want to practice more of what we learned today, you want to practice making your sentences, speaking Mandarin Chinese, you can go ahead to scan the QR code. I don't know if you can see the QR code maybe right here. Yes, this QR code you can scan and join my free Facebook group, Speak Chinese with Smart Mandarin. Inside the community, we have live lessons or live discussions about how to learn Mandarin Chinese. And also, if you have questions, you want to practice your Mandarin Chinese, we have a lot of discussions right here in Speak Chinese with Smart Mandarin Facebook group. So if you're interested to join me, and you should join and scan the QR code here. And also you can receive a lot of resources from me inside this QR code and the link. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to scan, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you inside my Facebook group or the next video lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. 再见。